Hello everyone, my name is Lorena Villegas Alzate. I am 27 years old. I am studying UNAT in 6th semester. I live in Pereira. I live in Pereira with my husband. This city is very interesting because it's quiet, it's calm, it's with many people. The people are honest, are happy too. My neighborhood is calm, is quiet. My neighbors are honest too, collaborative too. With children to live in my neighborhood. I live with my husband and my cat. This is my city and my neighborhood in Puerto Paisa. I work in a Conga distributor. I am administrator in this place. This is my family, and this is my father. My father passed away. He is my brother, my sister, and my mother. My sister is flight attendant, and my brother is merchant. I speak about to my family. My family is confirmed with other people. That is Andres, that is her husband, my mother's husband, my sister's wife, and her son. I speak about my country, my neighborhood, because I like this place, because it's surrounded by nature, which is very happy and pleasant, and very collaborative people too. I don't know. I think that the most important people in my life are my family, because I love this people. No more. This is my country, my life, my husband, my family, my neighborhood. Thank you so much.